Hi, my name is Jose Prada.
And I'm Rene Strgar, and we are filmmakers. We founded JR Visuals together to produce documentaries, commercials, and brand content videos.
We have the honor to receive several awards such as the Nespresso Talent and to collaborate with brands such as Ford, L'Oreal, Red Bull, or Zara.
With the growth of the internet and social media, everything is communicated through videos, from a company's branding to the events of our own lives.
By listening and observing the world around us, we tell real stories through our camera.
The process involves defining the subject, capturing sound and images, and expressing your own point of view in the final cut.
Whether made with a professional camera or just on a smartphone, a documentary for us should generate new reflections and draw the viewer in.
In this DOMESTIKA course, you will learn how to make an audiovisual piece, from the story selection to the final edit.
For the final project, you will produce, film, and assemble a short documentary about the topic of your choice with the equipment that you have.
First, we'll discuss the world of filmmaking today and the essential concepts.
We'll explain the documentary as a genre, how to choose our story, and how to work with our main subject.
You will learn how to scout the location, which equipment you will need, and how to prepare your movie.
We'll look at the fundamentals of lighting and how to control your camera. You'll learn how to carry out a perfect interview and how to capture the best shots.
Once we have all our footage, we'll explain how to organize everything and the basic concepts of the editing and post-production.
Finally, we'll learn how to edit, mix sound, color grade, and export your masterpiece.
By the end of this course, you'll be able to use your camera and tell your story wherever you are.
No previous experience is required to follow our steps. Just a camera or a smartphone and a computer with an editing program.
Tell stories through images and sounds and make amazing videos.